every summer on the Discovery Channel, they give us Shark Week. Well, in Mad Money, we do something similar, only it's got the potential to be a lot more lucrative. That's right. Welcome to Mad Money's Chart Week, where every night I'm going to sit down with one of our favorite chartists in person, which we don't do that often, talk about their favorite stocks. Tonight, I am thrilled to have Robert Moreno. He's a fabulous technician who's my colleague at realmoney.com, as well as being the publisher of rightviewtrading.com, and he's had some really great ideas for us. He's going to talk tonight about Facebook. Rob, I'm giving you the floor. Welcome to Mad Money.
Thank you, Jim. It's a pleasure to be here.
All right. Go ahead, Facebook. We got a 52-week high. We got a lot of things going. Let's take a look at the chart.
Yeah, we're going to start with the weekly chart because that kind of puts things in context for me. So you can see here that the stock has been in a primary uptrend. This began 2 years ago, January 13th, 2013. There was a sharp move up in the price of the stock. This raised the 10-week moving average above the 40-week moving average. Now, that's equivalent to the golden crossover on the daily chart,
okay.
Right? Which is the 50-day moving average moving above the 200-day moving average. It's a very bullish sign. The RSI moved above its center line, reflecting this kind of price momentum. And Shank and money flow moved above its center line. And what that's telling us is there are more buying pressure than there is selling pressure.
Right there, okay.
Exactly. So the stock is under accumulation at this point.
Even though the volume's lower, it doesn't matter.
That usually happens during consolidation periods, and we're going to see that it happened in late 2014. But you can see prices improving here.
Right.
Now, as price continued upward, there were periods to pull back, as we saw in March 2014. And then, like I said, we entered this period here, late 2014, we saw this horizontal consolidation. Okay? We attempted to break above that in March and April of this year, and it failed. You can see these red
candles. A lot of people got scared right there.
Yeah.
They felt when they saw that this was a breakdown, but it wasn't. How did you know it wasn't a breakdown?
Well, because the retrace was limited, and it held at the 200-day moving average, and it held at this uptrend line. And what we saw after that was the ability for the stock to hold at those levels, and retrench and make a move that took out the consolidation highs, took out the March-April highs, and last month broke them easily.
And so where do you think this stock can go now that it went to an all-time high today?
Well, I'll tell you, because this developed a very interesting pattern on the daily chart.
Okay, should we switch to the
Switch
daily?
to the daily chart.
Take a look at that.
Okay, so here are the consolidation highs, and here is the rising long-term trend line and the 200-day moving average. These are the failed breaks that we saw in March and April.
Right.
Okay, back down to this support level, and then a little bit of retrenchment and the breakout. Now, this breakout was pretty strong in June, and it got a little overbought. So the RSI went to an overbought territory right there.
Meaning that you can expect some profit taking to come in.
Exactly, and there was a bit of retracement. It held right at the March and April highs, and in the process formed a flag or pennant pattern.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's tough to see, but yes, I mean, just trace it like boom there that way.
Exactly.
Now, so then you got to tell us in time remaining, where can my finger stop?
Your finger can stop about the $95 level.
So we got another 5 coming.
You measure the price projection, the target projection of this pattern off the height of the flagpole. And that's where it measures.
So you're saying, just so I know, so you're saying that this flag, that's the pattern, that's what you should get?
Yes, that's exactly right.
All right. Well, look, my Travel Trust owns it. I think this is absolutely terrific. You've been dead right. A lot of people lost faith. But you've never lost faith in Facebook. And that's one of the reasons why I know I stayed for my Travel Trust. That's Robert Moreno. He's the contributor at realmoney.com, publisher of rightviewtrading.com, one of the most important stocks in the market. He says it's not done. Maybe another 5 points. Robert, thank you so much for coming on Mad Money. Terrific. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.